how do we heal the gut in 5 stages? If we use GAPS diet, there is 5 stages to GAPS diet. We start in stage 1, we start with meat stock, which has bone in it, which has joints in it, and which has skin in it, with some simple to digest vegetables, no starchy vegetables. For example, carrots is good, spinach is good, no beans, no gluten, no other grains, and we add on every stage. For example, stage 2, we add on egg yolk. If the body tolerates, we go to the stage 3 where we add egg whites. Now we can add nut flour, almond flour. If it is tolerated, we can make beautiful pancakes with it using ghee, no vegetable oil. Then we move up, we add raw vegetables now. If it is tolerated, the next stage would be raw fruits. And then we're gonna move on to full GAPS. Now we can enjoy a variety of food without being bothered. And now that our gut is healed, we can slowly and gradually add other unallowed food in the GAPS diet. For example, the first one would be we can add cooked rice. That would be your first stage, and then add on as your body is healed.